Welcome to Cars and SUVs and our video on car maintenance. Today, we're discussing one of the most important tasks for keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Tip 1. Regular oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial for maintaining your engine's health. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval, which typically ranges from every 3,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on the type of oil used. Always use the correct type of oil for your vehicle to ensure optimal performance. Tip 2. Tire pressure checks. Proper tire inflation is vital for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Check your tire pressure monthly when the tires are cold, and ensure it matches the recommended size listed in your owner's manual or on the tire placard. Proper inflation can prevent accidents like tire blowouts and improve handling. Tip 3. Fluid checks. In addition to oil, regularly inspect other essential fluids, such as coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. Check their levels and condition to prevent engine damage and ensure smooth operation. Tip 4. Belt and hose inspections. Inspect your car's belts and hoses regularly for signs of wear, cracks, or fraying. Replace them as needed to avoid costly repairs and breakdowns. Tip 5. Air filter maintenance. A clean engine air filter improves fuel efficiency and engine performance. Check and replace it according to your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Tip 6. Battery maintenance. Check your car's battery terminals for corrosion and clean them if necessary. Ensure the battery is securely fastened and the water level is adequate if it's not a maintenance-free type. Tip 7. Spark plug replacement. Spark plugs should be replaced at the recommended interval, usually between 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Worn-out spark plugs can decrease fuel efficiency and performance. Tip 8. Brake pad checks. Regularly inspect your brake pads for wear. Worn-out brake pads can lead to reduced stopping power and increased risk of accidents. Tip 9. Headlight and taillight maintenance. Ensure all lights are functioning properly. Clean or replace headlight and taillight lenses as needed to maintain visibility and safety. Tip 10. Wiper blade care. Cleaning. Use a mild detergent or specialized wiper cleaner to clean your blades. Avoid harsh chemicals like solvents or alcohol, which can damage the rubber. Check your wiper blades every 6 months for signs of wear, such as streaks, squeaks, or cracks. If damaged, replace them. Please avoid using wipers to clear ice. Instead, defrost your windshield before use. Tip 11. Regular vehicle inspections. Schedule regular inspections with a mechanic to catch potential issues before they become major problems. This can help prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. By following these simple tips, you can keep your car in top condition, reduce maintenance costs, and ensure a safe driving experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Cars and SUVs. Cars and SUVs.